Now, an Elgin-based Nigerian woman who swapped the world of finance for African food hopes her culinary skills will bring cultures together. Onyi Onyeiwu's recipe boxes are proving extremely popular, combining traditional dishes with music for an authentic African experience. Here's Nicola McCally.
So it could be fried or grilled. For this recipe, it's a fried plantain.
A taste of Africa via Murray. Onyi Onyeiwu prepares food from her popular recipe box, bringing a flavour of her home continent to Scots. With a career background in finance, she started her Elgin-based business after sourcing groceries for the growing African community living in the area, who were keen to cook authentically. Now her meal boxes, called the African Cart, are flying off the shelves, with the first recipe featuring Nigerian jollof rice with chicken and plantain.
You might not have the opportunity to travel to an African country, but this is almost like Africa brought to your doorstep and your home, where you can play the music, cook the food, read about the country, and just have fun.
The boxes include facts and information about Africa, as well as a curated playlist to add to the ambience when cooking and eating. Onyi, who is also running local cooking classes, says it's a fun way to bring different cultures together and share experiences.
Right now, there's a lot of technological influences and people being on their phones and having that connection with people who are in their families or at home. So I also see this as an opportunity to allow people connect and bond in their families or with friends.
Onyi's new business is all about connection and culture, and she hopes to bring more African recipes to people's doorsteps in the coming months. And if this is anything to go by, she's off to a cracking start. Nicola McCally, STV News.